you want to save time and money, why not get hitched with Rhinox? Stay tuned to find out more about this quick hitch.
So what is a quick hitch? A quick hitch is this mechanism we have here. It fits to your dipper arm and is the quickest and most efficient way to release and change your buckets without the need to constantly remove your pins, driving them back in through the buckets. Releases your buckets and picks up your buckets using this handle through the release of this latch shown here. For an operator, they can be changing their buckets or attachments up to 30 times a day. And when changing a bucket and attachment with standard pins through the dipper arm can take 10 to 15 minutes. So with a quick hitch, you're not only reducing your wear and tear through constantly smacking the pins through the dipper arm and the tipping links. This reduces wear on your buckets, but is a simple operation by simply removing this security pin at the back here and operating the latch for a quick and efficient loading of your buckets, picking up of your buckets and releasing your buckets, which means less time for your operator out of the machine.
So to run over some of the key features and benefits of this quick hitch, as you can see, its heavy duty design is for strength, durability and your safety. The engaging parts, which is the latch here and the pickup points here, are hardened to 400 Brunel, maximising wear protection. The long handled bar that's supplied with your quick hitch assists with leverage when operating the latch. This means you can change your bucket or attachment with ease. The high-vis latch here gives greater visibility when your bucket or attachment is fully engaged. It is also fully greasable, which maximises the wear protection and increases the life of your quick hitch. The safety pin on this quick hitch is captive. Now this means that it cannot be removed from the quick hitch, so in turn it cannot be lost on site. Using a quick hitch can reduce the breakout force of your machine due to the extended length to the dipper arm. Breakout force is the amount of power exerted through your dipper arm to your attachment. This affects the overall performance of your bucket. This low profile design helps reduce this breakout force disadvantage. Your quick hitch will come with a set of greasable mounting pins and a set of shims. This means the hitch can be fitted snugly onto your machine. This quick hitch is fully CE certified, meeting EU health and safety regulations. It comes with an operating manual and these quick guide stickers that can be fitted to the dipper arm of your machine.
So how to use the quick hitch. This is fully set out in this how to use operator's guide sticker supplied with each manual quick hitch. We recommend that this is fitted inside the cab of your machine or excavator that is easily accessible to the operator. So we'll run through the steps for you. Step 1, disengage the safety pin. To pick up the attachment, locate the front hook around the bucket pin and lift the bucket clear of the ground. Step 2, crowd the attachment in to engage the back bucket pin with the latch. Insert the quick hitch lever bar and push down. Step 3, with the lever bar pushed down, attachment will swing into rear hook. Release the pressure on the lever and the latch will engage back on the pin. Step 4, reinsert safety pin and secure. Crowd the attachment out and ensure that it is securely fixed to the hitch before use. Press the leading edge of the attachment against the floor and apply pressure to ensure the latch is secure before operation. For attachment or bucket removal, position the quick hitch so that it is level. Remove the safety pin and insert the lever bar. Stand well clear and push down firmly on the lever. The back pins of the attachment should swing away from the latch. If you want to know whether to fit a quick hitch to your machine, watch this video here to explain the fors and against of fitting a quick hitch to your machine.
This quick hitch is available for micro or 0.75 tonne up to 3 tonne machines, or for the US £1,000 to £9,000. The price of this quick hitch starts at £556 or $1,042 US. This is available to buy online here. If you'd like to know more about Rhinox, click on the video here and don't forget to follow us on our social media channels.
Releases your buckets using this. A quick hitch. Just getting a quick hitch from Rhinox.
Don't you worry, I've got like a socking list of stuff to remember here. It's low profile design.
definitely a USB.
That was going really well.